In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find liked posts on Substack. If you've ever tapped the little heart on a Substack post and later wanted to return to it, there's a simple place where all those likes are collected. We're going to walk through exactly how to reach that page and what you can do once you're there. I'll keep this clear and straightforward so you can follow along on desktop or on the mobile app. Start by heading to Substack and looking for your profile. On desktop, this is typically your avatar or initial in the upper right corner of the screen. On mobile, you'll usually find your profile in the navigation bar or within the menu icon. Give that profile button a click or a tap. This takes you to your personal profile page, which is the hub for your activity and saved interactions. If you don't see your profile option, quickly confirm you're signed in to the correct account. The likes you're trying to find are tied to the account where you press the heart. Once your profile page is open, look for the likes section. It's usually displayed as a tab labeled likes alongside other tabs such as posts or notes, depending on the current Substack layout. Click or tap likes. That's your personal collection of posts you've marked with the heart. You'll see a tidy chronological list, making it easy to scan what you've appreciated recently. From here, you can open any item to jump straight back into reading, share a favorite with a friend, or continue the thread where you left off. A few quick tips to make this page more useful. Treat your likes as a lightweight reading list. If you find something valuable but don't have time to dive in, hit the heart and come back to it here. If you change your mind about an item, open the post and toggle the heart off. That will remove it from your likes. On smaller screens, you might need to swipe the tab bar left or right to reveal the likes tab, especially if there are many sections on your profile. And because Substack occasionally updates its interface, the label or position of the likes tab can shift slightly, but it will remain on your profile page. That's all there is to it. Click on your profile, then click on likes. With those two actions, you have a clean, centralized spot to revisit everything you've appreciated across Substack, ready whenever you are.